Hi guys, today I'm going to be making a do-it-yourself moisturizing pain cream using essential oils. If you're new to our channel and would like to see more of our videos, please like, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification button. In this recipe, I'm using mango butter, shea butter, jojoba oil, aloe gel, and you want to use quality gel, not juice, and 30 to 40 drops of Rich's Pain Blend, which is sold by Anointed Essential Oil Blending Boutique, but you can buy the following oils individually if you'd like to make your own. And that's black pepper, wintergreen, clove, peppermint, cinnamon bark, and camphor. In my first attempt, I used shea butter and cocoa butter for my butters, and as you can see, it was entirely too dry and crumbly to use. In my second attempt, I used less cocoa butter and more shea butter, and although the finished product was usable, it was still a harder consistency than I wanted, and it was way too greasy on my skin. In my third attempt, and the recipe that I'm making today, I scrapped the cocoa butter and replaced it with mango butter and added aloe gel. After 1 week, I noticed that the oils separated because I didn't use any emulsifiers. However, a quick stir and my cream was as good as new. This recipe will make approximately 3 ounces of cream and should be stored in a cool place. Before you prepare your cream, you must sanitize your equipment and your workspace so you do not introduce contaminants into your cream. Add your mango and your shea butter to a bowl. Blend your mango and shea butter until your mixture is all over your husband, all over your counter, and your walls, and then replace it with a more appropriate bowl. Once you've blended your mango and shea butter and you no longer have any lumps, add in your aloe gel and continue to mix. Now that you have those blended together, you can add in your essential and jojoba oil and continue to whip until blended and fluffy. I highlighted Anointed Essential Oil Blending Boutique today because I love their blends, they have great prices, and of course they're friends of mine, so please check out their page by clicking the link in the description below. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more of our content, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications of new videos. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to friend us on Facebook.